What's up, YouTube fans? Swag Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another sneaker review. But before we get into it, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. Hit that thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Follow me on all my social media. The links are down in the description at @Trice. And go ahead and follow me on Twitch as well. I'm gonna try to give that a shot. So I'm gonna leave the link to that down below in the description as well. But let's go ahead and get into the sneaker review. All right, so here we have it. We have the Nike Dunk High Michigan, and as you can see, the laces are different on these. You have the Foxtrot laces that are in. There were three colors that came in laces wise. You got your white, yellow, and navy color that came with the shoe. But this shoe released last year of 2020. I can't remember the exact date it released, but it sold out, of course, because it's a Nike Dunk. But let's go ahead and get into the little quick review. All right, so throughout the shoe you have that navy color and you have the yellow color after the Michigan Wolverines college. And then on the inside you have, let me see if I can get it. I'll show y'all. You got the Nike in yellow right there. On the bottom, navy. And on the tongue, Nike in that navy. And the tongue is in yellow. So that's pretty much to show you guys. But like I said, the colorway is from the college Michigan Wolverines, and I did do a review over the other pair of Dunks, so make sure to go back. I'm gonna put that up somewhere. I'll put that link down in the description for you guys to go back and watch. But I appreciate you guys watching this video as always. And like I said before in the beginning, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on all my social media down below in the description. Leave a like, because like helps your boy videos get recognized more. So please hit that like button. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into on a few of these. Swag Kicks them out. Look out for more videos. Peace.